At our August 11th council meeting, the big debate of the evening was over the Unity Inn and Spa, a proposed development in Glen Burnie that has been discussed at length over the last couple of years. Now, on the one hand, this new inn and spa would provide a unique addition to the city's tourism offerings, but it's been opposed by a number of nearby residents with concerns about water usage and other issues. So after an extended debate, council voted to defer a decision about whether or not to approve the inn and spa in order to allow for more consultation about how the development fits in with the city's priority to address climate change. The inn and spa will come to council for a final decision on September the 15th. Last night, council also approved a new plan for a permanent integrated care hub to help vulnerable residents who are struggling with homelessness or mental health or addiction issues. Now, it was earlier this summer that council decided that the encampment at Bell Park would not be allowed to continue, but as an alternative short-term solution, the city would work with community agencies to establish an integrated care hub at Artillery Park until the end of September. Now, the integrated care hub has been a big success. It's been used by a number of residents, and so now the city will work to transition the integrated care hub to a new location, likely at the former Gathering Place site on Patrick Street. Finally, last night, council passed a motion to resolve the ongoing budget dispute between the City of Kingston and the County of Frontenac. Now, on the one hand, council wanted to express support for Frontenac paramedics and for frontline staff at Fairmount Long-Term Care Home, both services that are operated by the County of Frontenac. At the same time, council continues to have concerns about the large budget increases that have been coming from the county relative to the city's budget target of no more than 2.5%. So council passed a motion that will pay the county the remaining dollars that it's asked for, but at the same time, in the spirit of openness and transparency, will now take the County of Frontenac budget out of the city's budget and will now be included as a separate line item on the Kingston property tax bill starting in 2021.